There's a lot of time these designs, when you put them in your hoop, you have big pieces of stabilizer left over, and I've sewed it together. I'll lay out my stabilizer. I'll take my pieces of my stabilizer and I'll lay them out, and I'll see what I can do, how many pieces I'm gonna need.
So what do you do with your sticky backs?
Sticky backs.
Yeah.
You can see what I had here. I could probably still get another project out of this.
Okay.
Scrap, sticky back, wash away stabilizer, same exact thing as I'm working here. And then you turn your hoop over to the back side here, and then you're gonna take this and put it right over that area. Yeah, but if you just kind of touch it a little bit there, and then see, it's my sticky back, and then I'm ready to go with my next project. So those are just a couple of hints that we can give you as far as Frankensteining your stabilizer.